Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to Crypto Runners. And the crypto market today seems to have a good bounce. We can see that some coins are up very aggressively today. ZAC coin is up 19%, CC is up 12, and then we have some other coins that seems to be up. Bitcoin seems to be also rebounding, but now there is a big question, is that has the crypto market found the bottom, or this is just another dead cat bounce that will lead to more bloodbath in the crypto market? So if you are watching this video with the objective to know about the current state of the market, where we can see price heading next, then this video is just for you, right? So we will look into all the data that we have for today's video, and then we will come to a predictive conclusion in this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. This video is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. So guys, first of all, let's take a look at the AI preview, like AI overview of the today's market. So what AI tells about today's market is something that we need to take a look at. So today we saw a rise in the open interest in market. So there is a 18.9% increase in the perpetual open interest volume, which is roughly around $817 billion. So this is signaling that there is leveraged bets opening in the market. Most likely people are opening longs here, but this still doesn't give us any clear answer to our question. So we will look into more data and we'll come to a conclusion so you can make better tailored financial decisions. So, and another summary that AI gave us is that we saw an increase in the Binance ecosystem strength. So BNB linked projects outperformed around 3% amid the exchange dominance news. So Binance exchange is once again taking over, and that's why we're seeing a surge in the Binance ecosystem. So every time whenever we have a crypto bull market, Binance is the one that always leads the market. So this could be one of the signals, one of the factors that could be leading to a new bull market, but we still have to look at more data. So this will be too soon to conclude anything, so let's continue. And if we talk about the technical details of this, so there is a technical rebound. So the market cap reclaimed the key Fibonacci levels at 3.04 to $3.23 trillion market cap with a bullish MACD divergence. So we will take a look at the charts in a bit, but now let's take a look at some theoretical stuff at first. So if we take a deeper dive into this, we have more leverage surge. So this is a bullish impact. So we are seeing an increase in the number of longs happening in the market. So there is a rise in the perpetual trading volume, which indicates that there is interest coming back in the market. Buyers and sellers are both fighting aggressively to dominate. Most likely we have more buyers right now at this point, but we will see in a while. So what this means, the market is absorbing selling pressure with funding rates stabilizing at 0.004858% after a 42% daily rise. This suggests control speculation rather than euphoria. And what you need to watch out for is you need to watch out for a sustained open interest above 800 billion. So a break above this could trigger cascading liquidations of the short trades, which will be good for the bull market if that happens. And talking about the Binance ecosystem momentum, so Binance ecosystem category on the coinmarketcap.com and in the crypto market has surged around 2.96%, which is approximately 3%, which is driven by news of its 41.1% global exchange market share and a $7.23 trillion 2024 spot volume. BNB hit new highs with 8% staking yields versus traditional saving rates. So Binance Exchange is dominating the entire crypto exchanges market, which is a good bullish signal for the crypto market. We have seen this in our previous bull markets, like in 2021, when Binance has always been on the top of exchanges, but whenever Binance dominates, it is usually a good sign for the market. So what this means, so Binance regulatory compliance, 21 licenses and institutional services are attracting capital. However, declining spot volume around 21% minus daily hints at over reliance on derivatives. So yeah, Binance is a very solid exchange with 21 licenses, institutional services, which is attracting big capital. But there is one issue, is that we are seeing a decline in the spot trading volume, but there is a rise in the futures trading. So what this could mean, that people are like retail investors are not very much interested in spot investing at this time. So this is all for the news summary by CMC AI. You can take a look. You can try this AI on coinmarketcap.com. So now let's take a look at some other factors here. So before we talk about other things in this market, let's take a look at the overall state of the market. So on the daily, things looks quite good. We can see there are some coins that are looking quite bullish, like this. Like 2-3 coins are up 20% on the day, while some coins are like up 4 to 5%, and there are some coins that are like minus 2-3%. Well, this is nothing to worry about. But when we go on the weekly, so from the previous week, most of the coins have seen a significant increase in their prices. Some coins like Sui and Pengu are up like 20%, like Pepe and ADA are also doing good, including ZEC, Pumpcoin and Aave and Ultima coin. So these coins are doing pretty good from the past week. Now if you talk about the monthly chart, on the monthly, things are not looking good. We have only 4 coins that are looking good. This includes Telcoin, Ultima, the Rain coin, and WLFI, World Liberty Finance coin by Trump. So yeah, we know that crypto market has been from a big bloodbath. So now the things are going to get a bit more disappointing here, because now I'm switching to the yearly comparison of the prices. So when we compare to the yearly comparison of the price from year to date, so most coins are down nearly 80% from their from their 2025 highs. So this includes Matic coin, which was previously named Matic and is now called Paul coin. It's down 82%. OP coin is minus 88%. ICP is minus 76%. Uniswap is minus 70%, around 70%. Pepe is minus 80. Stark is minus 80 as well. And let me zoom in. So Shiba Inu coin is minus 70. Dogecoin is minus 70. Near coin is minus 77. Wet coin is minus 81. Ethereum is minus 22%. APT is minus 87. Render coin is minus 84. Fat coin is 88. Bonk is minus 80. So we can see that most of the big coins are minus 70 to 85% from their from their 2025 highs, which indicates that crypto market has been from a big slump this year. And now let me tell you the good thing. So since most of these coins, major coins including Arrow, which is one of my favorite coin, Arrow Dom Finance, this coin is from the base chain. It's a big finance coin, and coins like Sui, LDO, Stark, C, Hepe, all these coins are minus 80%. This tells us that there is a huge opportunity to grab all these coins at a big discount, but we are still not sure if crypto market has found the bottom. So let's find out that. So in order to access if the crypto market has find out the bottom, we need to look at some key indicators of bottom. So let me show you something. You must know about Warren Buffett. Yes, I'm sure you know who Warren Buffett is. He is one of the biggest investors in the world right now. He's 95 years old. Like, he knows a lot about market than all of us combined could have. So he has immense knowledge about market manipulation, market cycles, etc. He knows about market psychology, how market works, how liquidity works, like when people sell, when people buy. He knows everything because he has been into this thing for over around 70 years. So now the thing is, there is a famous quote from Warren Buffett, and the quote is like this. Wait, let me show you. Oh, let me find. Okay, this is one. This one you already know. Let me make this picture bigger. So this is his quote. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. You might already know about this. So what he means to say is that do opposite of what the majority of people are doing. So right now, if you look at the crypto fear and greed index chart, right now there is a extreme fear in the market. Literally everyone is panicking. I can hear many people are saying that they want to quit crypto market right now because they are extremely disappointed by the performance of the market. The crypto markets have been tanking. The altcoins have been tanking since they have invested. So now people are completely disappointed by the crypto market. There is a complete fear, uncertainty, and pain in the market because of the drop we saw in the market from the start of this year. Well, the fear in the market is at 20, which is quite low. I will say I have, like, there are very rare times when you will see a crypto fear and greed index at at 20 or below 20. So whenever you see extreme fear in market, according to Warren Buffett, this is a sign to buy. So he says that you should be greedy when others are fearful. So right now everyone is fearful. So it's quite obvious that you can be a little greedy. You can well, obviously there are risks involved in investing because there are always chances that market may go down. But if you're investing with a clear and precise strategy like dollar cost averaging, there are the chances of your failure are quite low. So dollar cost averaging is the thing that most people do. So, like, how can you invest in crypto market right now? So if I were you, what I would do is I would look at the coins that have strong utility, the coins that have future, and then what I will do is I will start dollar cost averaging into those coins. Dollar cost averaging. Let me show you with an example what is dollar cost averaging. Yeah, this image will actually help me explain it better. Dollar cost averaging. This is a very good thing. Yeah, this one should work. So guys, dollar cost averaging is basically like investing in an asset at different price points, different price intervals. Suppose if you have $1,000 to invest in one single coin, instead of deploying all that $1,000 in a coin at one time, all in one shot, what you can do is you can invest like you can divide your $1,000 in different parts, and you can start investing at different intervals. Suppose the price, you can invest 50% right now, and you can invest another 10 to 15% when the price either drops down or rises up. So you can just wait and see how the market is performing, and then just keep deploying that remaining amount of your target of your target amount for that coin. So this way you will save a lot of panic, you will avoid the FOMO, and you will make more informed and planned decisions in investing. So this is a good strategy for investing in crypto market. So guys, like I told you, now before we wrap up, now let's take a look at the chart. So looking at the chart of Bitcoin, so Bitcoin has dropped nearly 36% from its all-time high at $126,000. So we saw a big drop, and this drop was quite obvious because there was a drying liquidity right now. So we saw a drop, and right now Bitcoin is at a very critical support. Like, it's also at a strong trend line. So we could be seeing a continuation from here if it happens. There is also another scenario that it might take the liquidity at this point. Then we may see a continuation downwards towards 71,000. So right now we have two scenarios. Either it will go up, or it might reject, and it might reject at around 110,000. And there is also a possibility that Bitcoin will reject from this price point, and then 70,000 is a strong demand zone for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops below 84,000 this time, 71,000 will be my buying, I mean the zone for demand. So this is where investors will rush to buy crypto. Now looking at the Ethereum BTC chart, so this chart shows the correlation, I mean strength between Ethereum and BTC. So right now, like on the daily, Ethereum seems to have taken some strength here. We can see that Ethereum seems to have bounced quite. Ethereum is gaining its momentum against Bitcoin, which is a good sign for the alt market. If it breaks above 0.03534, the chances are likely that we might see a strong upward continuation in the altcoins. So yeah, that would be very good. And looking at the Ethereum chart, Ethereum is also at a strong support line here. Yes, it is at a support line. So we might see a continuation here, right? And if Ethereum hits 4,400, we might see a bull run coming up, most likely. XRP seems to have also found a support here. So now all I'm waiting for is this weekly close on Bitcoin. So I'll update you guys about this in my upcoming videos. So if you guys want crypto updates about crypto markets, be sure to subscribe to my channel for daily crypto updates, because I do these educational videos regularly. Yeah, and also if you guys want to trade crypto futures and spot, you can sign up on KCEX exchange. First link in description, at 0 fees and no KYC. So if that's what you're looking for, click the first link in description. This is an affiliate link. I also get a kickback from if you sign up using that link. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.